Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Well, it's 4 degrees, which is 39.2 Fahrenheit, and we are doing some Lock Sport on location. We've got a broken key in the keyway. What do we do about it when we don't have our key extraction tools with us? Well, we go to our first aid kit. We got tweezers. We got a pokey tool. We go to our pockets. What do we carry in our pockets every day? Our EDC carry. Well, for me being me, I've got some little long nose pliers, a tiny little screwdriver. So let's see if we can use any of these tools to get us out of the situation. Now, the first thing you need to do is have that keyway facing the direction that you would normally pull the key out in. So this key does not come out at the 3 o'clock orientation. It needs to go to 12 o'clock. So use your tools, get it up there. Push down. Try not to push the key in further, you don't want to do that. So we'll be using these depressions here to assist us. First, try and pull it out with your tweezers. It's not going to happen, it's not out far enough. You've got pins up the top that are stopping that key from coming out. They're pushed down into the key and it's going to not let it out. So that's what we're fighting against with these little tools. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stab it. Remember, you don't want to go in any deeper. So go in and just, well, the first thing you need to do is secure the door so it's not moving around on you. I used a bit of newspaper, fold it and just wedge it under your door so you have control of the door so it's not moving around on you, because you will be using some force to push against it. And we have it. Now, what you can do with this key now is you can take the head of it, take the whole lot to a locksmith or a key cutter. If you're in a little town, it's probably the local supermarket or hardware store that'll have a key cutter, and they can put this in the machine and cut the key from that. So you don't have to replace your whole lock, you just have to get your key cut again. Now if your key is in deeper, it's going to be a lot harder, but it is still possible to do using that technique. You're coming in more from the bottom of the keyway and you are going in like that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.